I'm Meadya Doski, and I'm a senior civil engineering student here, and I am PM for the Rio Grande Pedestrian Bridge project. So we're basically designing a pedestrian bridge in Olancho, Honduras, for a community there for kids to basically be able to go to school during the rainy season there over the bridge without any trouble, basically. So the goal is, the bridge does go to the school on the other side of the river, but it will also accommodate for other members of the community. We're also taking into consideration vehicles like motorcycles and horses. So all members of the community, basically. Well, I think the engineering design process is really important to get familiar with. So this project basically is from start to finish a design process, and so being able to communicate with our technical advisors about topics they're professionals with is definitely preparing us for the workforce. So our team is one of the only ones that consists of all of one discipline, so we're all civil engineering majors, but we all have different interests within civil engineering, and this project covers basically a lot of it. So there's water, foundations, structures, all that. So we're all basically picking the spots that we want to go into later on. So it works for us. Well, we do have our 30%, 60% submittals and our final symposium poster, but besides that, we kind of broke it into hydraulics and then foundations, which are our main concerns. So we want to make sure that we get those done correctly early so the rest of the design works out.